Again, this one is size S. Now let's look at the care label symbol of this. Okay, dry, no dry cleaning, no tumble dry. Low iron here. No machine wash. So I'm going to show you. Okay, this is the brand name and the size, and then also stated imported fabric. When you look inside your blouse, you can see the care label symbols. Low iron, no machine wash, dry, no direct sun. If you can see the symbol like that, it looks like the sun. Race, dry, no direct sun. So you have to follow the care label. Okay, the care label symbols of your jeans usually can find at the back of your jeans, inside of your jeans. The trademark of this is Levi's, and it's 98.5% cotton, 1.5% elastane. Here, the care label symbols at the back. You can hand wash, do not bleach. You can wash in the washing machine, but not too warm. You can iron, but not too hot. It's just medium. And you cannot. Okay, tumble dry normal. Do not bleach. Warm iron needed. Do not dry clean. Wash and dry with like colors. Turn garment inside out during washing and drying. Do not soak in water or leave wet for a long time to avoid color transfer or discoloration. Line dry. Line dry possible. Do not iron. Decoration. Color may transfer when new. Wash before wearing. One sweatshirt. Let's see, this is a sweatshirt. As you can see, the fabric is just like cotton algodon. Alright, this is free size. This is the label. Okay, don't hand wash, don't bleach. You can iron. Alright, this one is okay. Look at, easy to follow. Do not tumble dry. Okay, don't hand wash. Do not bleach. You can iron it, but do not tumble dry. Alright. Okay, this one is Jaspal. If you see XS, it means super small. XS, super small. And this fabric, very thick, seems like cotton, but let's see the care label symbol of this. Care label, the care label is here. It's very, very dark. It's black. Anyway, let's see if you can read. Okay, as you can see, do not bleach, do not tumble dry. Hand wash only. Do not bleach and do not tumble dry. So if your blouse gets stained, if you see don't bleach, you shouldn't add bleach in your blouse. Okay, don't add bleach. If said don't bleach, because the fabric might damage. Make sure that you don't bleach. Okay, if says no bleach, don't bleach, so that you can keep your clothes a long time. You can taking care of your clothes a long time. Okay, so that's it.